How to use Beehiiv website builder. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you how to use Beehiiv website builder. This is going to be for those who are just getting started and they just want to know how to actually go ahead and use it. Now, I need to first say that it does make a difference whether you are subscribed to a specific plan or you're on the free plan, because it does make a difference and you will see what I mean. Quite a huge difference actually. So let's actually go ahead and talk about it and show you how to use it. Now, if you don't know, Beehiiv is going to help you with your email marketing. Now, within this dashboard here, you should have the second option, website builder. But before we even go into that, first, I would recommend, if you're just getting started, after you import your subscribers and all of those things, you can just go to import list and all of those things. Just go to settings and go to the publication settings here within the admin. Actually, before, let's actually do company. And then from here, you need to actually add your the details here about publication, team, and all of those things. But most importantly, we go to publication here, and we would want to add all the information that is available in here. This is going to also affect the actual website that we are going to be editing. So that's the first thing that we will need to do. Next up, also the colors and stuff, you should find it. You should be able to find it from within the settings. You should find the colors, and everything that you need to find is going to be within these settings in here. So you can just go ahead and actually add them all and go to Design Lab and all of those things. But regardless, after we are done, we can actually go to our website builder and get started. So to find it is very simple. We just go to website builder from the dashboard. It's the third one, should be. So we just click on it, and that's our website builder here. So you should be given a very simple site here, as you can see, where you will have one widget, which is the subscribe, and you can enter their email address, the customers, or not customers, the actual subscribers. And then we've got two buttons, login and subscribe. And we can also have the posts show up in here within the archive. So this is what you should have by default. Okay. Now, to actually change up the layout, surprisingly, you actually need to upgrade. So if we just go to the second option here, if we just go to layout, we can just go to global navigation layout, where we can actually add elements and navigation. If we click on that, it's going to tell us that we need to upgrade. And if we click on the hero section, it will need to upgrade. Same goes for the posts section and the rest of these. And now this is quite understandable, to be honest. I mean, Beehiiv does offer you quite a lot for the free version. And this should be enough if you're just getting started. And if you feel like you need more, then you can feel free to upgrade. Now, what we can actually do is change a few things up from within here. So if we go to settings here, we can set up a few things, like if you want comments, static pages, theme reset, email capture, social links. Social links can help. SEO and pixels. So if you want to add pixels for X, Facebook, or whatever it may be, we can just do so from here. So if you want to set up any of those, we can just go ahead and do so real quick. If not, we can just go back to the actual section that we can edit, which is the styles section. So for the styles section, the first option we get is the logo and identity. We just click on it, and here we can obviously add the logo. Now it's not going to be from here. We can't really add it from here, which I don't really know why. But to add your logo, what we can do is just click on exit, go to settings. Like I said, you need to fill in the information because it's going to come in handy later. So if we just go to publication settings, we will find the logo here. So we can just adjust it here. We can just add a logo. It's not really matching. I don't really have a specific logo here, but I guess this should work for the time being. So if we just go back, we go to website builder now, and now we can see the logo is actually in here. And I don't really like it, so I'll remove it later, but no time for that right now. Next up is going to be the global colors. So now this is also going to be affected by the colors you set up from within the settings. So, but what's cool about this is that we can actually just set it up from here. So we can see the core. We can actually set up the core color of the website. So we can see the entire stuff that is considered as core. We can actually, change. If we just want to make it gray, for example, or lighter gray, or maybe we can just keep it black. There you go. So it changes, and now we've got to the primary font color, which is white. Secondary color, also white, and we got other stuff here. For functional, we've got also the same things for colors and stuff. For content, also again the same thing. Now this is going to be the global settings. If we just go back, we can see the rest of stuff here. We can also style the colors for them. But if we go to the third one here for the text and stuff, we can actually set up the font. So here, if we don't want Poppins, for example, we want something else, we can actually use that. And it's going to change up depending on the elements. So here is going to be for the headings. For the body, we can also change that. And we can also change the button text if we want to. So you can just adjust the text accordingly to your liking. Once you're done, you just go back. We go to radius and shadow. Here is going to be the radius of these blocks. So you can see it's these square blocks here. They're kind of round. We can actually make it so that it is square-ish, as you can see. Sorry. So we can actually make it more round if you want. It's completely up to you. So we can actually just adjust it to our liking. I like to keep it as medium or maybe even large. I think large does look quite nice. Okay, and then we've got also the shadow. Now the shadow does appear within the logo, but if we just increase it, you can see a little bit. Doesn't really make a lot of difference with this background, but if you have a lighter background, then it may also show up a little bit more. That's pretty much how to use it. So again, for global navigation, you can also set up the entire thing, the colors and stuff. And it's just about colors and fonts if you don't really have any upgrades. If you do, then you go to layout, obviously. Also, I want to add, after you're done with the home page, we can actually just click on the top button over here, and it's going to take us to the pages that are available. And we can actually go ahead and set up the sign up page, and it's pretty much exactly the same thing. So we can just adjust our logo and identity and go through the colors in here and make sure that it is suitable to what we want. We can change individual elements like the button and the box here, but we really can't really do much within the layout. We just need to accept it if you're on the free plan. If not, we can just go to layout. If you have upgraded, obviously, and you can just add stuff here. So you can actually add a hero section with a background image, with an image here, and also some logo and more text. It's very straightforward and simple to use, even if you have upgraded. So this is pretty much what we can do. And obviously, once you're done, you can just publish styles, and we can just exit out. And this way we can actually just click on view site, and we should have it up and running, and we can see that it is working completely fine, exactly how we set it up. And this is pretty much how to use the Beehiiv site builder. So I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.